Wednesday night. We've got a bit of repair work going on. Cars are all being cleaned up, just sorting the air filter out, and we're getting all prepped up and ready for Bradford. I had to do a sorry state and cut the front window panel down the other day because I couldn't see over it. Bit of an oversight when we built the car. So get that sorted out in a bit. So I think we've got to get the steering box changed, tune a few other bits up, get it scaled, and then we should be off to ready for Bradford. Easy. Getting nearer to the weekend, so I suppose best get King's Lynn off it and get it ready for get it looking spiff and span for Bradford. Well, bonus, while I went and fetched some tyres, my dad's washed the car, so I just got to get the bodywork cleaned down now, and we can get to work on actually doing something with it.
Hey!
car fresh from Skeg Vegas. Shale car getting sorted, ready for Bradford. So I think we'll switch back to time lapse and crack on getting this beast ready. From Sunday, from Skegness. These are the tyres. This one were from Sunday at Skegness, Heat 1, that delaminated. I think the other one were from the final on Sunday as well, or Heat 2 on Monday. So, explains why we were struggling a bit anyway.